When you build a fire, you need to make sure you take a look so that you don't start a forest fire, because that will add to an already complicated situation, obviously. So when we come in, we want to make sure that we take a look at what the environment looks like. This material on the ground is something called duff. They're old pine needles, fir needles, things that come off of the trees, and it's very, very flammable. All of this material down in the bottom portion is dead, works great for building a fire, but also will catch fire very, very fast if you allow your fire to kind of get out of control. So you want to make sure that you kind of take a look around. Don't build a fire inside of a really dense, old growth kind of area. A little bit out in the open with some good free flowing air, that's what you're looking for. One of the important things to think about, no matter what time of year it is, no matter what the environment is, where you build your fire, you want it all the way down to mineral soil. Get away from as much vegetation as you possibly can. You never know, depending on the time of the year, where it's located. You might find yourself in an area where you light all of the surrounding materials on fire, and that's not what we're looking for. In the wintertime, make sure you scrape all the snow away. People will tell you techniques. You'll be able to find it in books. It doesn't work. If you build fire on top of snow, what will happen? Your fire will melt a hole down through the snow. So however deep the snow is, your fire will end up at a hole on the bottom of that snow on mineral soil. So do yourself a favor, clear off the area where you're going to build that fire all the way down to pure mineral soil. You're good to go.